Just be careful where you buy, because there are a lot of scammers out there, but others are not just scammers, but they deceive you and lie to you, tell you that the devices that they sell are brand new, but they are not brand new. They are refurbished phones. But when you look at them, you think that they're brand new because they come in boxes sealed, but they lie to you. 20%.coza is being truthful to you. It sells pre-owned devices. But look at this here. This is the iPhone 15. Very much beautiful and high quality. Original parts here in this iPhone 15. As well as the iPhone 13 product red. Very beautiful. The only thing from these devices that may not be original sometimes is the battery. It may be a new battery, but not the original from Apple. The prices are comparable to 20%.coza, but 20%.coza sells pre-owned devices. That's too good to be true. Those devices are not new, but they use cheaper parts. That's why they're affordable as they are. But 20%.coza is being truthful to you, sells you pre-owned devices which are of high quality and give you a warranty of 6 months. Use the discount code KnowYoDevice when you buy on 20%.coza. You'll never go wrong with 20%.coza. Be careful with your money, I'm telling you.